show you how to create in Microsoft Word. So to create a table, what we need to do in this empty document, we need to drag our mouse to where it says Insert. Click on Insert. And then we want to find where it says Table. We can either click the down button, and what we can do, down here, that's called a column, that's called a row. That's a column, this is a row. So if it's going horizontal, that's a row. If it's going down, that's a column. So you can see it is 10 columns by 8 rows. We can click and we got a table. But if we want one that's got more than that, it's the same principle, insert, table, and then we need to go where it says insert table. This dialog box will come up and it asks you how many columns and rows do you want. So let's say we want 15 columns. Let's say we want 4 columns and 17 rows. We click OK. And here is your table. 4 columns, 17 rows.